Ever wonder how some people seem to make their money grow? They don't just work for it, they put their money to work for them. Investing can seem complicated, but it's the key to building real wealth. It's about taking control of your finances and creating a brighter future. Think of it like planting a seed. You nurture it, give it time, and watch it blossom into something much bigger. That's what investing does for your money. It's about making your money work harder for you, so you can achieve your dreams, whether it's buying a home, retiring comfortably, or leaving a legacy for your loved ones. Investing is crucial for building long-term financial security. It's not just about getting rich quick, it's about creating a safety net for your future. When you invest, you're essentially buying a piece of something that you believe will increase in value over time. This could be a company's stock, a piece of real estate, or even a precious metal. As these assets grow in value, so does your investment, helping you stay ahead of inflation and build wealth. Remember, the earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. There are many different ways to invest your money, each with its own risks and potential rewards. Let's explore some popular options. Stock market. Investing in stocks means owning a small piece of a company. When the company does well, your investment grows. It's considered high risk but offers the potential for high returns over the long term. Mutual funds and ETFs. These are baskets of stocks or bonds managed by professionals. They offer instant diversification, making them a good option for beginners. Real estate investing in property is a popular choice. It's a tangible asset that tends to appreciate in value over time. Fixed deposits and bonds. These are lower-risk options that offer steady, predictable returns. They're a good choice for preserving capital and generating passive income. Gold and silver. Precious metals like gold and silver are often seen as a hedge against inflation. They can provide stability to your portfolio during economic uncertainty. Cryptocurrency. Digital currencies like Bitcoin have gained popularity in recent years. They offer the potential for high growth but come with high volatility. Starting a business. Investing in yourself and your own ideas can be incredibly rewarding. Starting a business involves risk, but offers unlimited potential returns. Choosing the right investments depends on several factors, including your risk tolerance, financial goals, and investment timeline. Risk tolerance. How comfortable are you with the possibility of losing money? If you're risk-averse, you might prefer lower-risk options like bonds or fixed deposits. If you're comfortable with risk, you might consider stocks or real estate. Investment goals. What are you saving for? Short-term goals like a down payment on a house might require more conservative investments, while long-term goals like retirement might allow for more aggressive growth strategies. Diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spreading your investments across different asset classes can help mitigate risk and enhance potential returns. Investing doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start by educating yourself, seeking advice from a financial advisor if needed, and investing consistently over time. Remember, the key is to find the right investments that align with your personal financial situation and goals. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What's your preferred way to invest your money? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial tips and tricks.